Hello everyone. Today we are going to do Bolt TryHackMe lab. So Bolt is a CMS, content management system, and top CMS are WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Strapi, Drupal. They might have problems or vulnerabilities related to their plugins, their logins, and any kind of information discovery. I have already started the machine with our IP, that machine. I have also connected my system using OpenWafer. As you can see, initialization sequence completed. Now let's do Nmap. So these are the ports that are open. Let's open your file. Make notes, anything necessary. Let's try this. Plot 80. Here Apache 2 particular full pages. Let's try that on it concept. So here is the code. Password is not admin. I suppose this is one second for right. I paused from my first message for our editors to be able to. There seems to be a key space in the here. Please check it out to my password is not admin 123. इसका पासवर्ड है जेक का पासवर्ड है just in case you need it. Regards, Jake as admin. Gameplay here. Let's see anything else. Okay, welcome to site to myself, Jake, and my username is support. Okay, so Jake just support. Also, I'm saying we should look for series documents to find anything interesting. Okay, so we're going to look for CMS page because we found the permissions now, so here we can put that. To switch the reason because here this is actually by URL. Okay, let's okay, so we found the login page. Now let's put the username Bolt. and the password Alt admin 23. Very easy password. See what is inside. Okay. So this is bolt version 3.7.1. Let's see if there is any vulnerability that's built out there with this specific version. There will be a little lower version. So this version 3.7.1. Exploit. So there is a 3.7.0 but not 3.7.1. This is there is a 3.7.1 security vulnerability, but we need an exploit, and there is a remote configuration. If you see and the questions, and then you should ask about those images running on which port. So the answer is 8000. Then there is a username, and then this is for after the port admin 123. The version of 3.7.1, and it asks me exploit the database ID. So this is the exploit database ID. This you can download this from here. You can use Metasploit to find the path to find how to use this exploit. I have already downloaded this exploit, so it's yeah. This is our exploit. Need to wait anyway, so I will just this is the URL. I guess I need to change the IP. Okay. I have given URL, our username, our password. Okay, so we get connection with this. Yes. Now what is the path and the flag. Okay. So if you see, if we do this, where we are right. And do this. So it is not taking us back any further. So let's do this. Yes. We found the flag of PHP. It is inside our home directory. Now let's try to read it. Right. Flag of PHP. Okay, so there is a flag. Sometimes some problem occur in this exploit, so you should try command 1 or 2 times to find your answer. Now only thing to do is finding the path, right? So you can put this so right it will come. Let it get opened. Okay, now you can just use search command to find any vulnerability related to bot CMS. Okay, here is, and this is the remote code execution. So, and this is your answer of this question path. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Meet you with the new video.